The price of XRP is surging as investors get bullish on the prospect of a settlement between the SEC and Ripple. The Ripple community of holders and investors is eagerly anticipating the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, which is currently before Judge Sarah Netburn. According to a source close to the SEC, the regulator has a lower chance of achieving its intended conclusion than previously thought. The price of XRP has been evaluated by analysts who have anticipated an upward tendency. The XRP investment community believes that the defendant is getting closer to a victory in the SEC versus Ripple litigation. The altcoin's price has risen in response to the bullish narrative, and investors are now waiting for the outcome of the case before Judge Sarah Netburn. The SEC versus Ripple case is getting closer to a victory from the payment giant. The XRP community is now awaiting the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, which is being heard by Judge Sarah Netburn. Despite the fact that there is no tentative timetable for the verdict, proponents feel the case has reached a conclusive conclusion and that the payments giant has a good chance of winning. The attorney representing XRP holders, John Deaton, believes that a settlement in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit will not be reached within the next month. It is possible that a judgment will be delayed, yet attorney Jeremy Hogan asserts that an early settlement cannot be ruled out entirely. Hester Pierce, the commissioner of the Securities and Exchange Commission, feels that a regulator will be unable to obtain a favorable outcome. This might result in a victory for the payment technology company Ripple. A growing number of XRP buyers are acquiring the altcoin and transferring money from exchanges to private wallets. A whale wallet just moved $55 million in XRP to an unknown wallet, according to cryptocurrency news. Despite a sluggish start in March 2022, the altcoin recovered fast from the crypto bloodbath and scored overnight gains of over 5% in value. The statement made by the SEC commissioner increased investors' confidence. As a greater amount of XRP passes across corridors, it increases the utility and acceptance of the cryptocurrency. Despite a delay in the resolution of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple, the altcoin's utility and importance among traders has increased significantly as a result. As traders await the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple settlement, analysts have assessed the price movement of XRP and forecasted that the upside is limited to 80 cents. Ripple confirmed a bearish Ichimoku breakout on Sunday, according to FX Street experts, but there was no follow-through as altcoin participation across exchanges declined. Analysts from the YouTube channel Crypto Serpent feel that the price of Ripple could retest 80 cents and break above the level before seeing further consolidation in the future. Predictions for the price of XRP. Ripple is getting closer to a 20% breakout. The price of XRP is consolidating above $0.687 to $0.705 demand zone, indicating the likelihood of a breakout. Ripple is expected to climb by 20% and retest the $0.917 resistance level, according to market analysts. If the 6-hour candlestick closes below the $0.687 support level, the bullish thesis will be deemed invalidated. The price motion of XRP clearly demonstrates extended periods of consolidation, followed by a breakout and further continuation of this, demonstrating a fractal aspect to the price action of the coin. The most recent coil up and breakout pattern was observed in early February, and the remittance token is expected to follow a similar trajectory in the near future. The price of XRP continues to rise. After soaring by 26% between February 24th and February 26th, the price of XRP began to consolidate. Since then, Ripple has been trapped in a trading range, signaling a lack of volatility as well as the possibility of an accumulation of the cryptocurrency. In addition to serving as the foundation for this consolidation, the 6-hour demand zone, which extends from $0.687 to $0.705, will also act as a launchpad for a breakout and expansion. As for the upside targets, the price of XRP is extremely likely to sweep above the $0.856 level in order to collect the buy stop liquidity that has accumulated above the equal highs that have been made in recent weeks. However, this is not the last stop for the price of XRP before it goes higher. A revival of purchasing pressure will allow Ripple to extend its rally to $0.917, the level at which it reached equal highs on February 8th and 9th. In terms of percentage growth, this would represent a roughly 20% increase from the current position of $0.754. The market value to realized value methodology lends support to the price consolidation forecast for XRP. This on-chain indicator is used to calculate the average profit or loss of investors who acquired XRP over the course of a month using the blockchain. This index has recently turned positive and is hanging around 0.905% at the time of writing. Because of this worth, there is no evidence of an imbalance among the holders, and a prospective sell-off appears to be unlikely. An interesting parallel to this movement was observed with the 30-day MVRV in early February, when the consolidation resulted in a 50% increase in the value. Given the fractal structure of this outlook, a situation like this serves to strengthen the case for a breakout thesis. The whale transaction count on-chain index keeps track of the number of transfers of $100,000 or more, and it can be used as a proxy for the Wales's financial interests in the cryptocurrency market. Since the beginning of the consolidation on February 26th, this indicator has produced many lower highs and is currently hovering around 452. Despite the fact that the value of large transfers is decreasing, the pattern is strikingly similar to the one that was observed during the early February consolidation that resulted in a 50% breakout move. As a result, investors should expect the price of XRP to follow a similar trajectory. As an alternative, if the price of XRP falls below the $0.687 support level in a 6-hour period, the bullish thesis will be rendered worthless. This means that the remittance token will revisit the 12-hour demand zone, which extends from $0.561 to $0.633, where purchasers will have another opportunity to participate in the rally. According to reports, SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce feels that the regulator will not receive the favorable outcome it seeks in this action against Ripple over the XRP cryptocurrency token. Ripple and two of its executives raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered US digital asset securities offering, according to the SEC's lawsuit against the company and two of its officials. After the lawsuit was published, most cryptocurrency exchanges delisted the token in order to prevent any repercussions, which decreased the token's liquidity and caused its price to fall. XRP has suffered as a result. Some exchanges, on the other hand, backed with Ripple in the complaint, claiming that the SEC's action was detrimental to XRP investors. Uphold, a cryptocurrency exchange, pointed out that the SEC's purpose is to safeguard consumers and that it is difficult to understand how a ruling declaring XRP effectively worthless and inflicting billions of dollars in damages on retail investors would be consistent with that goal. Using an unknown source close to the SEC as her source, Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett reported that Peirce had privately stated her belief that the SEC would not receive a good conclusion from the litigation. Peirce has already indicated her dissatisfaction with the SEC's approach to the cryptocurrency field, to the extent where she is affectionately known as Crypto Mom by members of the cryptocurrency community. Her vocal pro-blockchain attitude has led her to advocate for regulatory clarity on a number of occasions over the course of her career. Speaking out against the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC lawsuit against Ripple, the fintech company stated that the lawsuit has already adversely affected countless innocent XRP retail holders who have no connection to Ripple and muddied the waters for exchanges, market makers, and traders. The company's defense has been moving forward with the argument that the SEC did not provide adequate clarification on the topic. As legal expert Jeremy Hogan points out, Ripple's attorneys anticipate that their client's lawsuit will be resolved anytime between August 26th and November 18th this year. Notably, XRP whale addresses with over 10 million tokens or more have managed to accumulate close to 900 million XRP, which is worth approximately $700 million at the time of writing, since December 2021, making it the second largest accumulation they have made in the last 5 years, according to CoinMarketCap. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more interesting information.